guys, it's Kyle at the Bay County Public Library, and this week's summer reading program craft is going to turn this paper bag into this mermaid tail craft that will be available at the Bay County Public Library while supplies last. I'll show you how to make it today, so let's get started. First, gather your materials. Each bag should come with about 18 circles, yarn, and a mermaid tail cut out. You'll also need glue and scissors for this craft. Next, glue the circles to your mermaid tail, starting where the body meets the fin and working up the body shape. Do so in whatever manner you prefer, but I'm going to have each new line overlay the line below it. It creates this cool scaly effect. Also, it's fine to have some of the scales hanging off the sides. Step 3. When all your circles are glued, use your scissors to cut the excess off the sides. Last, use the yarn provided to tie 2 knots in the holes on the corners. And there you have your mermaid tail. You can also write whatever you want on the fin to further personalize your mermaid tail's design. And don't forget, you can pick up these kits for the entire week at the Youth Services Desk at the Bay County Public Library. Available while supplies last. I'll see you next week for our next craft. See you then. Bye.